Hello dear student, welcome to another video on the topic question and statement. In these chapters we learn about the type of sentence. We learn that sentence can be classified into two categories according to the structure and according to the meaning. So we were learning type of sentence according to the meaning. So according to the meaning there are four types of sentence: assertive, declarative or statement sentence. Then we have interrogative or question sentence. Then we have imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. But for this time, we are going to learn question and statement. We learn question and statement. So the other two types of sentence we are going to learn in the next class. So we already learned and discussed and did the exercise also. So now let's review the homework that I have given you in the previous video. Let's check it out in the next slide. So children, yesterday we discussed exercise number D, where we learned how to frame an interrogative sentence. There we learned there are three rules to frame an interrogative sentence. Number one, which I gave the number A. Number A rule was by shifting the position of helping verb or being verb with the subject. Okay, by bringing the verb in front. That is first rule. Then second rule we learn rule number B by adding do, does or did. When there is only main verb in a sentence, then we are going to add do, does or did in front of the sentence. Then number C rule we learn by adding question word. Question word like what, where, when, how, why, etc. Okay. So we did some exercise. We did an exercise yesterday and we saw some numbers, question numbers, and I gave you homework also. Now from the first rule, I gave you homework. That is question number 3. The first rule was shifting the verb, helping verb or being verb with the subject. That is shifting the place. Now here, this question number 3, I gave you the homework. So this is the answer. The bottle is on the table. Is the bottle on the table? Check your answers, compare it with mine, and let's see. From this rule number A, I gave you only these 3 questions as a homework. Now let's check other rules and the homework that I gave you in the next slide. So here comes rule number B, where we learned that we can frame interrogative sentence by adding do, does or did. So here question number 4, 5 yesterday we did. Now question number 6, I gave you homework. Here in this rule I told you that when there is only main verb in the sentence, no helping verb and no being verb, okay, then we will add do, does or did in front of the sentence. Now if the subject and if the verb is, if the verb is in past tense, then we are going to use did. If in present tense the verb is in present and singular, then we will use does. If this sentence is in present and plural, then we are going to use do. Okay. Now let's see question number 6. The peon rang the bell. See, the peon, singular, rang is a verb. This is in past tense. So we are going to use did. I told you children, did is used for both singular and plural if the verb is in past tense. Now here is, did the peon ring the bell? Now when we convert this into interrogative sentence, the verb will come to its base form. It will be in a base form when we write the sentence in interrogative. Okay, here it passed, but it comes in the base form again, ring. Did the peon ring the bell? So this is the answer. Then next I gave you number 9. The kitten played with a ball. Here also played, subject is singular, verb is in past tense, so we are going to use did. Did the kitten play with the ball? Okay, did the kitten play with the ball? So this is the answer. Check your answers, compare it with mine. Okay, now let's see the third rules and its exercise. Number C, we learned that we can frame an interrogative sentence by adding question word like what, who, how, where, when, why, etc. Okay, now here question number 7, I gave you homework. This fruit is green in color. So by adding question word at the front, what color is this fruit? Okay, children. So these are the exercise and the homework review. So if there is any doubt, so with this we come to an end with the topic, question and statement. But before we end this, let's take a quick revision and learn about question and statement one more time. As I have told you at the beginning of the slide, we learned about the type of sentence. So type of sentence, this time we are learning question and statement sentence. There are 4 types of sentence according to the meaning, but we are learning only the 2 types of sentence this time. The other 2 types of sentence we are going to learn in class 2. So here first we are learning about, let's see, statement here first, this side. What is a statement sentence? We call a statement sentence assertive and declarative also. Okay, when we say something, when we tell her something, then that sentence is called statement sentence or assertive, when we assert something. So here the children are playing, so it tells us something that what the children are doing. We come to know that what the children are doing. Now this sentence cannot be answered. Since this is a statement sentence, this cannot be answered anymore. It doesn't start with a question word, nor it start with a question word. There is no any question word, like we have learned the rules to frame the interrogative sentence. None of the rule is applied here. So this is a statement. Okay, a statement starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Period, that is full stop. Okay, every sentence should begin with a capital letter. Understood? Now let's see question sentence. Now question sentence is a sentence when we ask something. When we ask something, that is called a question sentence. It starts with a question word like what, how, when. Apart from this question word, we already learned the rules to frame an interrogative sentence by adding did, do or does, or by changing the positions of helping verb or being verb with the subject. So this kind of sentence can be answered. Okay, we always can answer to this type of sentence like when will the football game start? The game will start soon. So this is asking something, and this question is again answered. It can be answered. So this is a question sentence. Now a question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. It have a punctuation of question mark. Okay, so this is all about question and statement chapter, where we learn about the type of sentence. We discuss the type of sentence, the 2 types of sentence. Then we discuss about the rules to frame a question sentence like interrogative sentence. Okay, there were 3 rules: by shifting the position of subject and helping verb or being verb, then by adding did, do or does, and by adding question word, WH word like what, where, why, how, who. Okay, so these are the things that we learn in this chapter. So children, With this, we come to the end of this chapter. We did all the exercise also. If there is any doubt, still you have any doubt, then do let us know. Let us know, and we will do a doubt clarification session with your questions and all, your doubts and all. Okay. So till then, you keep learning, practice all the things that we have discussed. We'll meet again with another topic in the next video. Till then, bye bye.